Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this is our paper which I will upload today. Paper 2, October, November, and May, June 2025. Question 1. In this, he has given that the diagram shows a part of the pattern with the rotational symmetry of order 2 to order 4. So you can see that there is a unshaded square after a shaded. So here we will shade this one for rotation symmetry of order 4. Now the second question is the next part of this question is question 2. Question 2. Write down 1012 in figures. So this will be 1012, 18,000 and 12, 18,012. I would like to change the ink. Now, prime number between 20 and 30 could be 23 or 29. Reciprocal of 1 over 9 is 9. Next question. And अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में वो ये है जी, question 3 now. In this question, write the ratio 175 millimeter to this, so convert the units in the same. 175 milliliter ratio 2.5 liters means 2.5 multiplied by 1000. So your ratio will become 175 ratio 2500. After simplification, your answer will be 7 ratio 500, I think. चलें करके देखते हैं. 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 5 to 5 fives are 25, 5 are 2500. So this is 7 ratio 100. So your answer is 7 ratio 100. For next, 540 in the ratio 453. Simply we will, because he is asking for error, so error is 5 here. E, so 5 over sum of the ratio is 12 multiplied by 540. So after simplification, you will get 6 fours are 12, 6 twos are 12, 6 nines are 54. 90. So 5 45s. 45 multiplied by 5 is 225. Now the next question. अच्छा जी. Question 4. In this question, he is asking you the value of x and y. You know that the sum of the angles between two parallel lines is 180 degrees. So simply we will write x plus 128 is equals to 180 and x is equals to 52. Your x is 52. These are corresponding angles 120 and y of parallel lines. So y is equals to 128. Convert 6.1 meter square to centimeter square. So 6.1 multiply by, there are 100 centimeters in meters, so there is square to multiply by 100 two times. Your answer will be 6100. 61,000, sorry, 61,000. Next question. This is question 6 now. In this, calculate the relative frequency of the student choosing thriller. So here you will write x. The sum of the probability is always 1. So when you will add these, so you will put it equals to 1. 0.1 plus x plus 0.35 plus 0.3 is equals to 1. So your answer will be 0, I think 0.25. You can use your calculator. Now, 500 students are taken in the survey. Calculate the number of students who choose science fiction. So, science fiction is 0.3. So simply multiply 500 by 0.35. So, you can see that there are two zeros and there are two decimal places. Zeros will be removed. Simply multiply 35 by 5. 5 for the 10, 25, 5 to the 15, and 2 17, 175. That's it for this question. Now for the next question. Uh, अच्छा जी. This is question 7 now. Chris wants to exchange $350 into euros. So he has given you the scale. $1 is equals to euros 0.92. So $350, so simply multiply by 350 on both sides. So you will get $350 is equals to 0.92 multiplied by 350. By using calculator, you will get 322 euros. So he has given that he gives in the multiple of the euro 5. So we will leave this 2. The euros will be 320. So change this 2 will be converted into dollars. $1 is equals to 0.92. Though we want to convert euros to dollars. So here you will write x. So x is equals to 2 over 0.92. By using calculator, we will get the answer. 1 minute, please. अच्छा जी 2 divided by 0.92. 2 divided by 0.92. Your answer is sorry, 0.92. 2 divided by 0.92. Your answer is 2.174. So this is $2.174. Now the next question. In the next question, question 8 now. In this question, he has given that to find the uh, in a regular octagon, find the interior angle. For interior angle, the formula is n minus 2 into 180 over n, where n is the number of sides, that is octagon 8. So you will write here 8 minus 2 over 8, sorry, into 180. By simplification, you will get what happened to the pen. Just wait. अच्छा जी. This is by simplification. Answer will be 135. You can use calculator here. In this, on the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B complement. So leave A intersection, shade the remaining part. This is your all. This is shading of A intersection B complement. Now the next part of the question 9. B part of the question. In a yes, class, there are 22 students. This means that your universal set is 22. And the 12 play the piano. This is P. Piano is 22. And the 9 play the guitar. And guitar is 9. This whole circle is 9. 6 do not play piano or the guitar. Here you will write 6 do not. Now find the number of students who play both. So play both is x. This part will be 22 minus x, and this part will be 9 minus x. Sum of all these is equals to 22. So sorry, this is not 22, this is 12. 12 minus x. So 12 minus x plus x plus 9 minus x plus 6 is equals to 22. So x will be, I think, 5. By using calculator, your x will be 5. Now for the next question. This is question 10. Simplify 7x square by 5 over y cube x square y cube. So shift small power towards the larger. So you will get 7 y 5 minus 3 over x cube minus 2. So your answer will be 7y square over x. 7y square over x. Now, 4,500 in a saving account. So he's asking for simple interest. Account में कहता है कि find the total investment at the end of 5 years. Total investment means amount. So amount is equals to I plus P. I is equals to PRT over 100. PRT over 100. Your P is 4,500 and R is 3.2. T is 5 divided by 100. The zeros cancelled. 45 multiplied by this will become 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, and 116. So 45 multiplied by 16, I think 16 fives are 80, 0. 8 carry, 16 4 is 64, and 8 72, 720. Your I in interest will be $720. Now the amount is equals to 4,500 plus 720. So this will become $5,220. Now the next part of the question. अच्छा जी, B part of the question is Aisha invest 2,750 in a different saving account. He is asking for say, compound interest. For compound interest, we get direct amount. Amount is equals to principal amount into 1 plus r% whole power t. So your P is 2750 into 1 plus R is 2.1 over 100 whole power 3. So this is 2750 into 1.021 whole power 3. By using calculator here, we will get 2750 multiply by brackets and what is 1.021? 1.021 1.021 the power is 3. 3 bracket close. 2926. The amount is 2926.91. For interest, he's asking for interest. So I is equals to 2962.91 minus 2750 minus 2750. So 176, interest is 176.91 or 177. अच्छा जी, the next question. Question 12. This is question 12, very simple question. Rearrange the values 7hx, 7hx, like values is minus 21fx, minus 21fx. Here you can see that h becomes first, so you will write the value of h first. Minus 2hy and then is plus 6fy. Take from here 7x common into h minus 3f minus 2y common from here. So h minus 3f. Your final answer is h minus 3f into 7x minus 2y. H minus 3f into 7x minus 2y is the final answer for this. Now for the question 13. Question 13. A bag contains nine red balls and three green balls. So, Lee takes two counters at random from the bag to at random from the end without replacement. This is your without replacement. This means that when you will take out one, you will not put it back. So the probability of red will be 9 over 12, and for the first counter, this will be 3 over 12. For the next, if first he took a red ball, so then one ball from red will decrease and one from the total will decrease. So here you will write 3 over 11. Second will not change. Now if we take green, so red will not change, 9 over 11, and green will be 2 over 11. This is all about the tree diagram. In the next part here of this question, uh, he is asking for what is he asking? He is asking for the work out the probability that both counters are red. So both red के लिए you will write both red. Both red will be 3 over 12 multiplied by 2 over 11. 3 over 12 multiplied by 9 over 11. Yes. So your final answer will be 3 fours are 12 and 4 3 fours are 12. No, both red. This is wrong. Both red. So 9 over 12 multiplied by 8 over 11. Yes. So 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 4 twos are 8. So your answer will be 6 over 11. That's it for this question. Now for the next question. Mhm. In question 13, a bag contains nine red counters and nine red counters and three green counters. Lee takes two counters from the bag at random without replacement. This means that she will not put back. So if we take first red, then the second will decrease one and one from the total. So here you will write 3 over 11. Similarly for this, if he took green first, so 9 will remain as it is, but green will change, that is 2 over 11. In the second part of this question, he is asking for the probability of let's see, check it. He is asking for the both red. Yes, the red counter. So we will write 9 over 12 multiplied by 8 over 11. This after simplification, answer will be 6 over 11. Now for the next question. Question 12. In this question 12, he has given you the circle and all the values are told. I will like to zoom in this paper for the whole question. First part is find the angle PQS. So for angle PQS, this angle is required. PQS is required. This is PQS. So you can see that these are angles in the alternate segment. So this will be 37. For angle QRS, this is QRS. So here you can see that this is cyclic quadrilateral. So we have these two angles 37. So this will become, I think, 58 because 180 minus 37 plus 85. So 180 minus 112, I think. 5 plus 7, 12. 8 plus 3, 11, and 12. So this will become 58. So this is 58. And in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle is 180 degrees. So again, this angle will be 122. That's it for this question. Now, for the next and last question of the day. अच्छा जी. This is question 15. He has given you a pattern and complete the table for pattern 5. So you can see that the difference, common difference is 2 in this. So this will become 13. In this part, you will write 13. And here you can see that difference is 4, then is 5, then is 6, 1 increasing. So then it should be 7. So this is 28. For find an expression for the number of white beads in the pattern n. The number of white beads in pattern n will be uh, this is linear because the difference is same. First difference is same, so Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of a. First value is here 5. 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 2 here. So this is your 5. So after simplification, you will get 2n minus 2n plus 3. This is nth pattern. इसमें अब आप आगे आ जाएं. Beads for the total pattern or beads total. This is total. In this, you can see that the first difference is not same, and but second difference 5 minus 4 is 1. This is 1. This is 1. So this is your quadratic expression. In quadratic expression, we take first 2a is equals to the first difference that is sorry, second difference that is 1. So our nth term in this pattern is quadratic pattern is a n square plus b n plus c. So 2a is equals to 1, so a is equals to 1 by 2. For value of b, we write 3a plus b is equals to the first difference, that is 4. So from here, b is equals to 2.5. So using the value of a, that is 1 by 2, so you will get b is equals to 2.5. And for c, we will write a plus b plus c is equals to the first value, that is 6. So you will get, using A, B, and C, you will get C is equals to 3. And your nth pattern will be uh, 1 by 2 n square plus 2.5 n plus c. This will be the nth pattern of this. Now for the second, now for the last part of this question. C part of the question. Bill has only 88 beads. So we have calculated nth pattern of this white, that is 2n plus 3 is equals to 88. So n is equals to 42 whole 1 by 2. So P is equals to 42, and this half is for black beads. Now question 16. He has given this much data, people and the area. So he is asking for the population density. Population density is equals to population divided by area. The population is 5.71 into 10 raised to power 7 divided by 6 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers square. So after simplification by using calculator, 5.71 divided by 6. 5.71 divided by 6. 5.71 divided by 6. This is 0.952. So 0.952 into 10 to the power 5 will be subtracted from 10, so this will become 2. So if decimal will go one step towards right side, the one power will decrease from here. This will become 9.52 into 10 raised to power 1, or 95.2 kilometers square. That's it uh, for this part of the quest paper. Today I have solved up to question 16. People, dear students, please like, share, and subscribe video, and also tell your friends to subscribe this. See you. Allah Hafiz.